Hello everyone, welcome to Charist Learning. This is Maths TLM based on scale for addition. The teacher can call students and ask them to slide the answer to the square box. For example, like teacher can call a student to add 3 plus 5 and the student will slide 8 for the answer in the box. Similarly, a teacher can call another student to add 4 plus 2 and the student will slide the answer to 6. Yes, correct. Another magic of this scale for addition is if we want to add 1 to any number, we can get the answer directly in the square box. Like here, 3 plus 1 equals 4, 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. This project is made using chart paper, cardboard, sketch pens, and scissors. This scale is basically used for single digit addition. Thank you for watching.